worked well.
Making a mess?
Well, yeah, you stay out the way, girl. It's kind of sliding itself.
Okay, watch out. This is heavy. Am I helping moving that?
You are helping. You are.
How's this method going, Ben?
Slow and steady. So far, so good. Fishy to start. I'm feeling pretty good about it now. You never want to feel too good about a method, though.
My really important job. Slowly but surely, it's moving.
Okay, we're almost off the next one.
I think this is too big for a shed house.
No, dude. It's just the right size for a shed house. Watch your fingers.
Yeah. So we're really excited about this buck stove. We could have gotten a new buck stove for $2,500, and we got this one for $800 because an older couple couldn't haul wood anymore.
Well, we gotta lift it that high. So, I think I can.
Okay.
Okay, we gotta move like get out of here.
Feet, go away. Uh-oh. Just push that out of the way. So scared. My fingers keep over here.
Threshold.
Put your fingers up there.
Oh, I sound like a baby. She said I sound like a baby pooping.
Kids say the darndest things.
We don't want to put it exactly where it goes. Because we're going to have to do time. Do we want to put it in front of the other door?
Now I need to build a heart.
other mountains. I'm playing music.
Okay. Now, ready to go anymore? No, you're good.
You're not going to keep it very long.
I mean, again, I'm pinching pennies because it's $11 sheet, right?
Right. I totally understand.
But I mean, all right. So now, what did we decide?
You can go anywhere you want to now.
You got a thick board.
Because that sheetrock can go on that. So
Okay.
all right. Let's put the hardy in.
Do you need me to help you hold it?
Not that front one on either one of the sides. Step one, get a piece of PVC.
Beautiful idea.
Don't you like that? That's awesome that you like it. Okay, I'm gonna have to lift it up.
Well, we have an idea.
Yep. No, nope. It roll that in and back out. Yeah, cool. Yeah. Sorry, it's a little squirrely if it was in the way. So this was definitely the scariest part of the whole process for me. While Ben said the weight was balanced and it wasn't scary to hold, I was terrified, and trying to get these legs screwed on when I was nervous, not easy. Gosh, I can't wait to shop back this place.
All you're thinking about right now. This is not easy. All right, 4 legs are on. When you
warm in here. It's kind of huge.
It's a centerpiece.
It is. Oh, it definitely is.
Okay. So the next fun step is going to cut a hole in that roof. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pre-drill some holes to the roof so I have a guide, and then I'm going to use a Sawzall to cut a hole. I'm not too concerned about the perfection. It has to be good, but not super tight because I have a bunch of flashing, and I'm going to caulk it down and then put the roof back down on top. So just a matter of getting that enough room for that pipe to move through the roof and be level. We'll see how it works. Okay, so that cut went pretty good. All right, so we got that going up to the roof through the trim piece. Now we're gonna go up on the roof and finish that out. New plan, that didn't work. Let's try this again. Okay, so I didn't video that last flashing part because it turned out to be a lot more challenging than expected, but I got it on. I'm finishing up the caulk, gonna put the rain guard on there. Metal roof plus metal flash is pretty difficult, so I'm sure there might be a better way to do it, but I'm dealing with what I bought.
So, stove is done, I think. We're getting ready to start using it. Oh, I did not notice we had a bathtub. Well, I did not notice that. I don't know if you didn't do that, but getting ready to start using the stove. So we got that all done. The chimney's up. I think Santa's gonna be able to come this Christmas. So here we are outside. Here, if I could let you have a sneak peek at the chimney. Up there. I hope Mom and Dad do put this inside the video. So Mom, what do we have to do? What are we doing?
Are you videotaping it?
Yeah. We have to clean this thing. So this is before that we clean it. Right, Artie?
This thing was very well used. Do you think we could get it clean?
Yep, I think so.
All right, Mabes, what do you have there?
Tasty.
How'd you make it?
A little bit of baking soda and a little bit of white vinegar. Oh my gosh.
Okay, what are you gonna do?
Scrub. Oh, I have to scrub. Yeah, I'm brushing my teeth. I need to get these teeth very shiny.
Those are some nasty teeth.
I guess.
Here we go, first fire.
Lighters are not good out here.
Oh, man.
No.
Lighters. We need new lighters. Give it.
It locks up, but it goes right back down. Oh, there you go.
Now we got it.
Caleb wins the prize.
It's lit, guys.
Got the better lighter.
First flame, there you go.
There we go. Come on. Make it warm.
Flames.
Toss some of those blocks in there. Yeah, you're gonna be rocking and rolling. There it is, Bree.
Okay, did you do it right?
And
I think so. It looks right to me.
No, I'm saying, did you do
Oh,
all
did I
that
do
right?
that right? Well, we'll know soon.
Smoke coming out, we'll know.
I don't want you to get too much.
So the chimney's up and rolling. I ended up getting another tube of the clear caulk, or sealant. It's clear sealant, and that's really gonna keep it sealed on the roof so we don't have any dripping problems. Because I had a slow drip this morning, but I believe I solved that problem.
All right, there she is. She might not be pretty quite yet, but fire's warm.
Okay guys, so overall this project is totally doable by yourself. Some of the struggles I had were with the flashing and the metal roof. That was difficult, and moving it, I would suggest having 2 or 3 people. Brianna and I did it with just 2 and it was doable, but having a third set of hands would be good. And then having a place that is familiar with installing these stoves so they can get you the right parts for like the stovepipe and the flashing was really helpful, because I just went in there and said, this is what I'm trying to do, and they gave me the right parts. So other than that, we're heating our house, and this is exciting.
It's snowing! Finish it!